Russian versus Italian. Let's check how many common words we have.
Phone.
Telephone.
Telefono.
Doctor.
Доктор.
Dottore.
Ministry.
Министерство.
Ministero.
School.
Школа.
Scuola.
Sofa.
Диван.
Divano.
Actor.
Актер.
Attore.
Ticket.
Билет.
Biglietto.
Магазин.
Negozio.
Okay, this one is different. But do you have something like magazine in Italian? I know it's like a warehouse.
No. Well, yes, there is a similar word, but it's not a store. It's
Okay.
magazzino, but it's not a store.
What does it mean?
Well, the place where, for example, a store or I don't know, a shop takes put these things.
Like
yeah.
a warehouse.
Yeah, it's
Okay,
like,
yeah.
but it's not a store.
Okay, so it's a more or less similar word, but in a different meaning. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. Next one.
Television.
Телевизор.
Televisore o televisione.
Strange.
Странный.
Well,
Strange. Странный.
straniero or strano.
Okay.